Another scatter vlog, but I feel like it's good footy because it's, you know, I'm moist, because whenever I'm wet I feel like that makes a good vlog, because people like to see somebody get wet. I know I do. That's what she said. Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. Guess what? It's fucking raining and it's cold and I'm riding. It's time to put these new Bridgestones to the test. Look at this, everything is wet, everything is moist. God damn, I'm trying to these people are idiots because they're walking where they shouldn't. I'm gonna get around all these people. I have rain gear, but I observed some tourists here and there and everywhere, and I decided that it's not raining hard enough for me to put on my rain gear. Now I'm kind of regretting it because it actually is raining. Oops. So my delicious bell staff and sweet Lee Parks designs and freaking Red Wings are all gonna be moist, which is whatever, don't matter, which is don't really matter to me. I don't really mind if the shit gets a little wet, if the shit gets a little fucked up. Oh well. I just didn't want to wear the rain gear, which obviously is silly because this probably messes with the longevity of my items. That's probably why my Lee Parks design gloves keep ripping and why this bell staff jacket won't last me 30 years. It's alright. I don't need it to last me 30 years. I know, these maneuvers are kind of silly. But these things happen. And it's definitely freaking raining. Grrr, grrr. At least it's not cold. At least it's raining, but it's not cold, which is okay. Oh, you son of a dick. That truck was squeezing me. Oh no, don't tell me I'm gonna have to do lane splitting in the rain. I don't have time for lane splitting. Goddamn savagery, I'm gonna get so wet. But I knew it. I knew I should have worn my rain gear. Son of a bitch. And look at this pickup truck. I guess I could come off here and go a little bit of a local kind of flavor, or I can go on the highway. I just don't know. I don't know what's best. We'll go local. Look at that Range Rover right there. Sexy, sexy. Local or highway? Local or highway? I guess we're doing highway. Oh well. For a second I wasn't sure. Oh yeah, it's the Velar. I thought it was the Velar. It looks a lot smaller. I really thought this thing was a lot bigger in real life. I've seen it in real life before, but anyway, let me get ahead. A few moments later. A few moments later, we are back and we're cruising, bruh. And I'm soaked, as expected. As expected, I am wet. Luckily, it's like 50 degrees, so although I am soaked, I'm not like, what do you call it? I'm not cold, which is, you know, half the battle. Why the hell not? Why not, you know? Because if you're wet and cold, no bueno. But if you're just wet or just cold, you can wrap your mind around it. Anyway, man, my fucking day at work today, ugh, I need to calm down. My new boss is ruffling my feathers, and that kind of is frustrating on a few different levels, which is okay, which is fine. But, you know, it's just something I'm gonna have to deal with. I'm gonna have to figure out how to frickin' keep it together with my bossy boss and not have any conflicts, because today she just freaking tried me. She just anyway, there's no need to discuss this too much, but it's just a sad fact that life is like that sometimes. It's pretty funny. This Oklahoma, I was planning on going after it, and the Oklahoma couldn't even make the light. Amateur. Yeah, another scatter vlog, but I feel like it's good footy because it's, you know, I'm moist, because whenever I'm wet I feel like that makes a good vlog, because people like to see somebody get wet. I know I do. That's what she said. That's what she said joke. You know, those are the best. I still religiously watch The Office. Big fan. Huge. So there's a lot of that's what she jokes in my repertoire. But at the end of the day, you know, my boss legit like pulled me aside and was like, let's talk. Let's have a conversation. We need to talk. And let's talk. And she wanted to talk later, to which I said, no, bro, I want to talk now. And we talked, and everything's fine. I mean, lots of hard work ahead. That's all I got to say about that. That's all I got to say about that. But impossible is nothing. And I just have to, you know, change my ways. I have to, you know, be more productive and be more accountable. The problem is always when you have to do more work, but you're not going to get paid more. So it's always like a little bit frustrating, you know, because it's kind of like, wait, I'm taking up on all these extra responsibilities, but I ain't getting paid more, you know. So it's kind of like, what's hood be? What's hood? But, you know, anyway, I don't even know what that means. I don't know what any of that means. But yeah, I have to, this was not the perfect plan. And tomorrow I think it's just gonna pour all day. So tomorrow I'm pretty sure I'm just taking the bus. You know, tomorrow I'm just gonna frickin' bus it. I don't give a shit. And this pickup truck is getting parky. Part of me wanted to do a burnout, but then I realized I have brand new tires. Look at this fucking person. Looking for parking. Going 2 miles per hour. Just because he's in the car. It's my own fault for fucking... This should have been a car vlog. If this was a car vlog, I would never complain about rain or temperature. I'd probably still complain, actually. You know, forget it. But yeah, like, no wonder that guy is driving 1 mile per hour, casually looking for parking. Freaking comfy. Meanwhile, I'm fucking cold and moist, and this person is keeping distances. You know, I don't have time for bananas. Ooh, look at that Saab. That is dope. That is a dope Saab. Don't see those around all that much. All right. I think I'm gonna probably, yeah, park right here. It's totally fine. Thursday, Tuesday, whatever. Boom. We're good. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.